So this is the same type of problem as the last example. It's still the same idea. Whatever you do in the middle, you have to do on both sides. So if I were to solve this like any other inequality, so pretend one side isn't even there, the first thing I would say I should do is get rid of the constant. So let's add 4 instead of minus. So we would add 4 to both sides. So it's in the middle and it's on both sides. So the minus 4 plus 4, they cancel in the middle. On the far left, I have negative 2 plus 4 is positive 2. I have negative 3y in the middle. I have 14 plus 4 is 18 on the right. Okay, well, I still have a coefficient. I still have this negative 3 that's attached to the y. Same as you normally would. Instead of multiplying by negative 3, we would divide this by negative 3. And again, whatever you do in the center, you're going to do on both sides. So we will divide by negative 3 there. We will divide by negative 3 here. But before we do this, we have to remember what we just wrote yesterday. Anytime you multiply or divide by a negative, divided by negative 3, divided by negative 3, you have to flip the symbol. So when we write our final answer, we're going to say 2 over negative 3. Well, 3 doesn't go into 2. We're going to leave that fraction, negative 2/3. Flip the symbol because we divided by a negative. Now I have y by itself. Less than or equal to, I divided by a negative, so flip that one around too. 18 divided by negative 3, negative 6. And even though we have a fraction, we can still graph this because we know where negative 2/3 should be on a number line. So graphing this out, I'm going to put 0 over here since all the numbers we're talking about are negative anyway. Negative 2/3 would be somewhere over here, which would make negative 6 much further down. Above the 2/3, should this be solid or empty? This will be empty. Above the negative 6, solid or empty? This one will be solid because it's underlined. And then because it is one continuous inequality, y should be any number that is between these two values. We will go ahead and connect them.